I'm back.
Oh shit, leg.
Oh, I got the leg.
Come on, Aloe.
What?
I died pretty much as soon as you did.
God, the leg. The legs. Excuses, baby.
Aloe, no excuse. I keep dying at that same spot
The
as.
leg definitely isn't an excuse. But, oh yeah, baby, it is.
Yeah.
Holy shit, why is it freezing?
But
Okay.
this is also Aloe's specialty. He specializes in obbies.
Okay.
I don't specialize in obbies.
I won't push it.
Okay, press it.
Press it hard.
Make it real sturdy.
Gosh, are you pressing it? Gosh,
What the heck is that?
damn it.
Yes, I did press it. It was late delayed.
Well, we're massacred.
I wasn't.
Alright, Aloe, your turn.
Huh?
I found a hole.
Do you think we can jump down?
No.
What are we doing? What do we have to do?
Oh,
Your teams.
holes. We gotta move our balls.
They don't really move.
Mine are kind of. No, I don't.
Come on, Aloe, help us.
Yeah, that way. Yeah. Keep going. A
No.
little further.
No, don't go to that way. I hate that.
Wheels. Yes, Aloe. Thank you.
Yes, Aloe sees.
Thank you, Aloe.
Aloe's not that bad of a guy. Aloe's Aloe's so nice.
Oh my god, you fell down the hole.
You know, for that, Aloe, we won't help you.
Yeah.
This is
We'll
sick.
still try. We'll still help you.
You can still help us.
Yeah.
God,
Let's be
go
honest.
in the hole.
Let's be honest. It took us over 40, almost 30 seconds just to get over there.
Get into the hole you got.
You know, it only says we got 3 points, but I'm shocked it didn't take anything. Aloe's worth nothing.
Wow, I'm up.
In there.
I'm worth 50 cents.
Racism.
Okay, my turn.
Yep, charge his turn.
I'm running away from that.
What? For my place? Okay. I'll come.
No.
No.
What did you want donated?
Organs.
That's the real question. Oh. Hello? Hello?
His house went.
I fell for it, you idiot.
Give me Robux on poor.
I'm more poor than you. You're not gonna say that.
Oh, come on! Push? What are we pushing? Oh!
I just went boom.
Okay, I think. Are we supposed to work as a team or.
Can
that guy get blown up?
I don't think so.
Oh boy.
I win.
Haha. God, can you die?
Yeah, no kidding. Ducks?
I see no.
Oh my god, we gotta catch them? I'm gonna get you, Quacky!
I'm gonna get the duck.
Wait, no, I actually caught the duck, doofus.
Yeah, I
Got
caught it.
nothing.
I caught a duck.
No, no one wants to be a friend.
You have no friends.
I caught that. God, God, somebody kill this guy.
I'm gonna capture it. I caught
I don't
three.
want admin controls.
I do.
Yeah, you know what you can do with that stuff?
Yeah, think of all the beautiful, beautiful sheets. He still wants you in your place. You should say that you're with Comstar.
No,
Yeah.
he doesn't have a name.
Time's up. Oh man.
I got.
One.
I got 4.
Aloe, how do you suck do that badly to get 1?
Somebody hit him with a car. Okay. I push button.
Okay. Sword fight, kill.
Kill the robot.
Oh man, we actually did it.
Kill them. I don't care if I lost.
Finally. Well, I am because we lost to Jay.
Wanna be friends?
Can we kill them?
Sure. Whose turn?
I will press it.
Okay. Oh dear. I knew I'd die this way. I knew it. I'm just gonna stand by the button. Oh.
Well, we survived.
Well, that was easy. Man, who would have thought it would have been it? What the fuck?
Ooh, color matching. We know Aloe can't read colors.
I can't.
Just like Neptune he thinks is a real country.
I get so sick of that. It's like, he really thinks that's real.
It is real.
Where? Where's
When
Neptune?
I look in the sky, I do not see it.
It's too far away.
Wanna know what we see? We see white skies and the sun.
It's blue. Okay, I'm not even. They were blue to me, but sure. Oh, I wonder if that's what he means. Is the sky? He thinks that maybe the sky's Neptune.
Aloe, the sky is not Neptune. I'm sorry to break the news to you.
I got the eggs.
I got milk, I think.
Yeah, you
Yeah.
did.
Come on, Aloe. You gotta.
Why did we give him the hardest one?
Yeah.
Cause
He
Aloe's.
actually did it.
I did.
Did he get there in time? I could definitely do that.
Yeah,
See?
same.
And not poison anyone.
Uh.
All I see is out. I saw a charge.
Okay. That's what I saw.
This is horrible.
Why? Cause it has your favorites?
What the? Oh, great.
Oh, no.
Okay.
Not that way.
Yep. Luckily, I've just been following Al.
What's funny is it stays green. Okay.
It's definitely got a turn.
No, I was gonna say there is no way you're getting there.
Alright.
Ugh. Yes.
Yes, I made it too.
No.
What a slow fella.
What?
What? Spleef?
What? Instantly.
I wasn't ready.
Well, you're ready now.
Oh, shut up. The building is burning.
I can't jump out the window. But shouldn't we charge towards the fire?
Oh boy, we're dead.
I think we're safe.
Oh my, we're dead.
Yeah.
At least we know how to escape a building.
You throw a chair through a window.
Well, yeah, that's.
It's not real.
Well,
Wow.
no.
It didn't say cake is a lie. You're stupid.
It was a random cake on a table. Of course you want it.
Press the button.
Um.
No, I'll take a picture.
All right.
Oh, he's gonna kill us.
I'm flying.
I'm looking at it. It's so nice.
I thought he was gonna kill us. I really did.
I think he still will.
Yeah. I think he'll come back.
Yeah.
like come.
What the? What
Yeah.
are we doing?
Collecting gifts.
Green.
Green.
Blue.
I don't know what to do.
Yes, Ella, we know you don't know colors.
We know that.
It won't let me do anything.
You run at the gifts and put it on the right color.
Oh,
Idiots.
I should have said that.
We play games with an idiot.
Yes, we do.
2 idiots.
Shoot.
I love being an idiot.
You're just playing. Okay, blue. For blue. Blue.
Blue for yellow.
Oh, I've already made that mistake.
Yeah, I've made the.
They come down too fast.
I definitely won.
You got 11.
I had
Wow.
7. The luckiest number.
No, it's
I
not.
thought it was a number 2. Because you know when you get those suckers out. Woo! Feels great. What are we?
What the?
Are we done yet?
Oh, we can't kill. He's in the ground.
Ella's down.
This is the dumbest thing I've ever seen.
This is amazing. Damn.
We're
Didn't
so
they?
pissed off at the table.
We're gonna break the table. Let's do it the right way. Alright. We each press it one more time.
Okay.
Who's next?
Oh, press it.
What?
Oh.
Um,
Okay. I'll go next with that, Jay. You're next.
yeah.
Final one.
Of course I get the final.
Score. No, that's. Did we just keep Aloe?
I mean, I'm not surprised.
It looks like it.
I mean,
Score. Yay!
I scored.
Sexism.
All right, time for the final round. I clicked the button.
Real tiger.
Hey, Aloe.
That's have to wrap up the video.
Oh, that worked out perfectly.
Why? I mean,
It's
of
Aloe.
course I got.
It was funny.
Oh my gosh.
I got to watch it.
I
Oh,
hate these. I hate these ones. Wait till you get to the. If you make it to the top.
honestly, it's quite easy.
I hate this thing.
Oh, shit. I failed. That was awesome.
So, Ella, are you happy that we ended off with an
No, I
obby?
hate them. I hate obbies.
Yeah, me
They
too.
break me.
I mean, I don't think it takes that much to break you.
What do we do? Time to what? Okay, I guess this is the finale.
Yep.
I don't know what we're doing. What? What?
Oh no. 131.
Wow.
That's higher than I can count.
That is the same for me, man. I get to 1,
Yep.
2,
4.
3, 5. No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, bye.